Amidst the COVID-19 lockdown, the intervention of Uday Social Development Society. The relief program was planned through 6 units of Uday: Aulia, Dharampuri and Sirpur in Khandwa, Badi Dhamini in Jhabua district, Indore and Bhopal slums. We designed the relief work into 4 packages: food distribution, counseling, ensuring safety through various means, and awareness carried out during lockdown and COVID-19. Food distribution. Grocery items were provided to 6,983 families, thereby 33,533 members of these families have benefited since last 70 days, 28th March to 5th May 2020. The migrants, blacksmiths, construction workers and families of daily laborers, beggars, domestic workers, widows, senior citizens and other poor people were helped with grocery provisions such as wheat powder, rice, pulses, spices, sugar, tea powder, salt and cooking oil. Police departments have immensely helped us to distribute the food and to control the situation. These philanthropical initiatives were implemented in different parts of MP in more than 80 slums and villages. On 30th May, staff of Uday Bhopal served cooked food and fruits to 200 poor, beggars and homeless people with their one-day salary. Ensuring safety through various means. At this time, women and girls also undergo severe struggle with regard to their menstrual health. Since no sanitary napkins are available, it's very difficult for them to combat their struggles. The same issue was identified by other NGOs and a company sponsored 4,000 sanitary pads to us and the same was distributed to them, which gave lot of relief to them. About 1,500 face masks distributed to needy, homeless and migrants. Counseling. Since the lockdown is too long and people find it difficult to manage themselves, domestic violence on children and women is on the rise. Through telecounseling sessions, Uday has reached to 80,755 children, women and men in April and May 2020 to tackle this issue. Online sessions on child protection issues and COVID-19 for 122 children were conducted in child care institutions run by Women and Child Development of the government. Spreading awareness on the pandemic and its safety measures are given one-to-one through online. Door-to-door symptomatic COVID-19 survey. Sister Lizzie Thomas had an opportunity to undertake a COVID-19 survey in hotspot areas declared by the government. In collaboration with Health Department of the government and Archdiocese Bhopal initiated the symptomatic survey of the containment areas, Bhopal from 20th to 22nd April 2020. About 35 volunteers surveyed 8,624 families comprised of 35,994 family members in 3 days. The suspected cases are followed up by the health personnel of the government for testing. Though it was risky and in the scorching heat, she counts this as a good opportunity to be part of this meaningful mission. Networking organizations and individuals. A big thanks to all those individuals, NGOs and government departments who came to help us in this noble work. Pavitra Atma Sevika Sangh, Holy Spirit Convent Bhopal, St. Raphael Co-ed School Bhopal, Action Aid, Dainik Bhaskar Group, the local newspaper, Mrs. Evelyn, Mrs. Rita Brazda, Bhopal Municipal Corporation, Trendsetters, UNICEF Bhopal, National Domestic Workers Union, Local Panchayat, Zomato, Montfort Brothers School, Archdiocese Bhopal, Childline, BSSS College, Mr. Jojo Income Tax Officer,
मैं निरंजन शर्मा थाना प्रभारी मिसरूत के पद पर पदस्थ हूँ। कोरोना महामारी के कारण लॉकडाउन की घोषणा होने से क्षेत्र के असहाय मजदूर और गरीब लोग राशन के लिए लगातार परेशान हो रहे थे। ऐसी स्थिति में हमने उदय सामाजिक संस्थान से इन गरीब परिवारों की मदद के लिए अपील करी, जिस पर उदय सामाजिक संस्थान है और हमारे पुलिस विभाग ने मिलकर इन गरीब असहाय और मजदूर लोगों को राशन वितरित, मास्क वितरित तथा अन्य जो आवश्यकताएं थी वो सभी उनके लिए उपलब्ध कराई गई तथा लगातार इनसे काउंसलिंग कर सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, मास्क तथा इम्यून सिस्टम के संबंध में लगातार इनको अवगत कराया गया। मैं उदय सामाजिक संस्थान और हमारे थाने के स्टाफ ने ऐसी महामारी के दौरान लगातार लोगों की सेवा करी। मैं उन सबका बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ।
मैं अर्चना परमार, वार्ड 55 की पार्षद, जोन 13 की अध्यक्ष। कोरोना इस महामारी के चलते हुए उदय संस्था ने जो कार्य किया है वो सराहनीय कार्य है। उसमें उन्होंने 6000 लोगों को राशन वितरण किया है, मास्क वितरण किया है। हमारे पूरे भोपाल में 22,000 लोगों को काउंसलिंग की है। इसमें उदय संस्था का मैं बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद करती हूँ, बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
COVID-19 relief work was really a challenge for me. Yet I took lead and participated in this noble cause.
Being part of the management in the Uday Social Development Society and together with the entire team, we planned and implemented the COVID-19 relief work. It was a great opportunity to express our solidarity with the poor and the marginalized, and that we consider the philanthropical work that we could reach to the people.